In this video, we will see how to type exponents in Google Docs like this. There are 3 quick easy methods to type exponents in Google Docs. Let's see each method one by one. In the first method, type what you want, then select what you want in the exponent. Go to the format option, and under the text you will see here option Superscript. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus period. Click on it and the number will go to the exponent. Next method is also easy. Go to the insert option and click on equation. Type the number or alphabet, then press backslash on your keyboard and type superscript and press spacebar on your keyboard, then press forward arrow key and enter the exponent. In the third method, you will see here option new equation. Click on it, then you will see here math operations. Click on it and you will see this option x raised to b, where b is exponent. Click on it, enter what you want, then press forward arrow key and then type the exponent. Now check out this useful video shown on screen to know more about Google Docs. If this video solved your problem, subscribe in return and don't forget to comment below and let me know which method you will use among these 3 methods. See you again in the next video.